You like your new toy?
Let me see the baby.
Look, Maddie, she likes her little toy.
Nana. I put it up there.
That was a great idea for it because she can hit it with her little hand. See, and she sees it.
What you saw, Regine?
Hit the baby, sun.
Wait, what is that, Mav?
Ribbit.
Tell her what they are.
This is a bug. It's a ladybug. This is a fish. And this is a turtle. And this is a frog. Rabbit.
She likes it. She is. She's playing. Aunt Lainey got her that.